I became a defense attorney because, frankly, I loved being a federal prosecutor, but the great thing is our legal system has two different elements. We have prosecutors, we have defense lawyers, and it's very important to know each side of it. I'm George Newhouse, and I'm a partner with Richards Carrington in Denver and in LA. I was initially a law clerk to a federal judge after graduating from Boalt Hall or UC Berkeley Law School, and then I went to work for a Wall Street law firm doing litigation. And then probably the best job I've ever had in the law was I was an assistant U.S. attorney here in Los Angeles for 12 years, and I prosecuted all kinds of offenses, gun offenses, corruption, government fraud. Got a bit of trial experience doing that, and 1998, as my colleagues say, I turned to the dark side and left to join private practice. And so for the last 20 years I have been advising clients still how to obey the law, how to enforce the law, but how really to stay out of trouble with the feds and the state authorities, and every now and then trying a case when we can't resolve it. As a prosecutor, the biggest challenge is deciding which cases to take and which cases to push off, which cases didn't merit. So it was a tremendous joy to be able to do things with a positive impact on society by bringing criminal charges where appropriate. And also, a very important responsibility of prosecutors is knowing when not to bring charges, when justice and mercy requires that a case not be brought. And that's kind of what I do today, is to try to persuade prosecutors to exercise that discretion. It's like the old saga, you know, the best fisherman is someone who was once a fish. I know how prosecutors think, and I know how criminal cases are put together, both state and federal. I know how these investigations unfold. I understand how the system works, and therefore I can help navigate the shoals on behalf of my clients.